Now I want to introduce today's measurement example. And it's actually a thin film of gadolinium-doped Ceria, which is a very good ionic conductor. We have it as a thin film that is polycrystalline, and we contact it with interdigitated electrodes. And you can see here the temperature stage at 300 degrees. This is a very nice semicircle that I measured. And this is not just one sample. I here want to show that actually that comes from my last research and was actually measured by an MFIA and then made it in 2022, even to the front page of Nature Materials. I want to show you how to measure a full spectrum and how to measure it fast. And so I choose here our one period averaging that basically takes at low frequencies only one period to calculate the impedance. And I go from 1 Hertz to 100 kilohertz in 70 points. And I use a general amplitude of 300 millivolt. And of course, I've chosen here a Nyquist plot with equally scaled axes, hopefully also on your monitor. And so we go here. The software predicts 32 seconds. You can time it when I push the button. Now it's already a bit too late, but you see we're running down this countdown, and the impedance is forming from low frequencies to high frequencies. And you see, so this is real time. So you see that this measurement that we analyzed before looks actually very nice, very low noise. I have here the clip with the grounding still. And so within 30 seconds, we get our impedance spectrum of our operating point. Yes, and then we can look at the peak frequency at this resistance. This is the 5.5 mega ohm. And so we can measure electrochemical impedance spectroscopy.